Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the badge on the steering wheel. The same process goes for Alfa GT 147, 156, Giulietta 159 and so on. There are two things that I'm gonna use. The first one is a small flathead screwdriver, and I'm also going to use some tape. I'm gonna get a little bit of tape and put it right here next to the badge where I'm gonna place my flathead screwdriver. The tape is there so the surrounding rubber or plastic, whatever you want to call it, doesn't get damaged. Again, you gotta be very careful since you can easily do some damage and ruin the overall look. I'm gonna pull the badge out and I'm gonna stick my flathead screwdriver in the badge on the side. You're gonna have to use quite a bit of force and pull the badge out. There we go, just like that. The main reason why the badge might be challenging to remove are these 4 pins you can see, which dug in deep inside the airbag plastic. Since I want my new badge to sit a little deeper, I'm gonna take my knife and cut a little bit of this molded plastic. You don't actually have to do this, you can just take your new badge, put a drop of silicone on it and put it back on. Alright, I'm gonna take my new badge and I'm gonna remove this red protective plastic from the glue, and I'm gonna stick it onto the steering wheel. I'm gonna check out how the glue holds, and I might add maybe a drop of the automotive silicone just so it sticks on a little bit better. Alright, here's the end result. I've decided to add a little bit of silicone so the badge stays on better, since it doesn't have those pins like the original one. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.